Looking into day 5 of slot 2 questions, let k be the largest integer such that the equation, okay, so this, let me simplify this, x square plus 1 minus 2x plus 2kx plus 11 should be equal to 0 has no real roots. So no real roots tells me that it has to be imaginary, which means the determinant has to be less than 0. Okay, so let's put this into a proper quadratic equation format, my dear. So this is going to be x square here, okay, and then I get plus 2x, so k minus 1 plus 12 is equal to 0. So the determinant has to be b square minus 4ac, and that should be less than 0. This is the criteria for no real roots. Okay, so b square here, let me take it 2 into k minus 1 whole square minus 4, a is going to be 1 and c is going to be 12. This has to be less than 0. So 4 into, again this is going to be k square plus 1 minus 2k minus 4 into 12 is going to be less than 0. Let's divide both the equations by 4. I get k square plus 1 minus 2k minus 12 is going to be less than here 0. Okay, or I think now I can keep this, instead of splitting it, I'll just take this, okay, as a square itself. I know that here k minus 1 whole square should be less than 12. Okay, so keeping it this way now I think will help me to put substitution of k much more easily. So I know that k, okay, can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, and so on. Okay, now they're asking me k divided by 4y plus 9, okay, the least possible value. So they're asking the minimum value of the sum of two numbers. So you should have known the product of these numbers. Yes, you should have known the product of these numbers. So let us have a look at the product of these numbers, my dear. The product of these numbers, now k divided by 4y, okay, into 9y. This would have given me 9k divided by 4. Right? This should have given me 9k divided by 4. So let us look at what is going to be the maximum value here, my dear. So k minus 1 whole square should be less than 12. So I know that the maximum value that k can take, here will be 4, because 4 minus 1 would be 3, 3 square would be less than 12. But the moment I take here 5, no, 5 minus 1 is 4 square, 16 doesn't satisfy. So 4. So let me put this here, my dear. So I get here, okay, that the maximum value of k should have been 4. So in that case I will get it as 9. The maximum value of this product is going to be 9. So now I can use this to get the minimum value of the sum of those two numbers. Okay, so to get the minimum now, then I know that both the terms have to be equal, right? So when both the terms have to be equal, I know that the terms, then only possibility is 3 and 3. Getting it? So the least possible value for both of this is 3 plus 3, that's going to be 6. So that's all with this.